The last video that I made, I spoke about, is it Senator John McCain? It is the same as the Jits. Yeah, that I'd seen him for the first time, and he is one seriously dodgy bloke. The only other thing that I've ever heard, that I know about the chap, is my daughter read me in the newspaper the other week. He admitted that he didn't know how many houses him and his wife owned. Right? So basically, I want to know the logic in getting a man who doesn't know how many homes he owns himself to make decisions on people that affect people that don't even have one. Where does that logic fit in? I don't understand. The whole point of the world is that these elitist people, these people that, call themselves elite, that's wrong for a starter, who own all of this money. How can you, when you are so incredibly wealthy, you don't even know how many homes you own, how can you make sensible decisions on the budget for thousands upon thousands, millions of people that struggle every day? How can somebody who has no concept of the word share, how can that person be right to lead everybody when they have so much stuff for themselves that they literally can't remember how much stuff they have? Ridiculously expensive items like houses. Can't remember how many you've got. How can you be qualified to lead a group of people who the majority don't have what you have? He's not prepared to give one away, for people. This is wrong. It's not right for us to be ruled over. We should be sharing. That's the way it was meant to be. We were provided with our own two hands and the Earth's resources when we were born on the planet, and it just so happens that this intellectual elite happened to have nicked the secrets that were left for all of us right back in at the get-go, and just decided to keep it all secret and not share. And it's wrong, and it's time to start sharing. The budget malarkey, George Bush in the paper today was like, borrowing this money and all this mortgage and blah blah blah. It's like, it doesn't matter what numbers you stick on stuff, you are using what money represents for war. On Wednesday, the day after tomorrow, they switch on the Hadron Collider in Switzerland. It's a huge thing, and it's bouncing atoms off each other, and they don't know what's going to happen. It might slow down time, it might stop time. But they are trying to create a man-made black hole. That is what our money is currently going on, whilst we suffer. It's not just the people in Ethiopia that can't eat. Do you know what I mean? It's silly. They've taken it to silly selfishness, and I just suggest, I don't want to take anything off them. I don't mean he can keep all of his houses for all I care. Live in one a week when he's not got to go round and go, huh? He'll have something to do with his time. He can relax. Let's just share. Talk soon. Bye.